What's going on, guys? Welcome to Bake It with AJ. I'm AJ and today I'm showing you these incredible red velvet cookies that will blow your mind away. If you thought red velvet cake was good, honey, just you wait. These cookies are incredible. The recipe can be found using the link in my description. You can also find all of my social media link down there as well, so go check that out. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell so you can come back every Wednesday and see the recipes that I post for you guys. I think you're gonna love these cookies, so let's get started. To get started, I have 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour with a 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon that I am putting in my sifter and mixing into a large bowl. We want to sift this just to get any lumps out of the cocoa powder, and once that's all mixed, you can go ahead and set that aside. Now in my stand mixer, with the paddle attachment, I have 2 sticks of unsalted butter that are completely softened at room temperature, with a 1/2 cup of brown sugar that I've packed and a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. You want to mix that on a medium speed for a few minutes until this is completely combined and really nice, light, and fluffy. After that, I have 1 large egg at room temperature that I'm adding in. You want to incorporate this completely on a medium speed and go ahead and scrape that bowl down. Then you want to add 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, incorporating completely, and then going in with 1 ounce or a couple tablespoons, which is, yes, 1 whole little bottle of red food coloring. This is red velvet, so we want it to be a nice, vibrant red here. You want to incorporate that on a low speed until it's fully combined into our butter mixture here. Don't turn it up on high because you don't want this to splatter anywhere and get any stains anywhere. Now I'm going to gradually add in that flour mixture that we had set aside from before in about 2 parts. Almost completely combine the first one and then add the next. Once it's just barely incorporated, you want to stop mixing just to avoid any over mixing. And we're going to add in 12 ounces, which is about 1 bag of white chocolate chips. Now please let your dough chill. The reason you chill cookie dough is because you need to let the fat, aka the butter, set up in the dough. If you don't, it'll just spread really thin in the oven and they'll be flat little pancakes. We don't want that. You want nice, thick, chunky cookies, so please just have some patience. If you need these, then make sure you plan ahead. Do it the day before, because refrigerating overnight is always best. Now after it's chilled, I have a parchment paper lined cookie sheet with an oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I am just scooping these cookies onto the sheet with about a 2-inch cookie dough scoop. You can use pretty much whatever size you want, just note that the baking time will vary. These baked for 10 minutes exactly, and I let them cool for about 5 minutes before I tried to move them, and that's it, my friends. It's like red velvet cake, but in cookie form, which to me is like the most heavenly thing you could ever get in your life. Oh no, I dropped it. Once again, the recipe can be found using the link in my description. Go check that out with all my other social media. Be sure to give this a thumbs up and leave me some comments down below. And of course, hit that subscribe button. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. You know, this whisk was $45. That's all clad, because that's necessary.